In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to Shopify 2025 for beginners. Before we start, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer or already uploaded in your Shopify files. A transparent PNG typically looks best, and keeping the file size reasonable helps your store load quickly. First, open your Shopify admin and head to Online Store, then Themes. This is where your live theme and any draft themes live. Confirm you're working on the theme you want customers to see. Next, click Edit Theme. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Customize. This opens the theme editor, which shows a live preview on the right and a settings panel on the left. Inside the theme editor, click the highlighted area that opens your theme settings. You'll usually find an icon or a link near the bottom of the left sidebar for this. Theme settings control global styles like colors, typography, and your logo. From there, select Logo. This is the dedicated place to manage your brand mark across the site header, and sometimes the footer, depending on the theme. Click Select to choose your logo image. If you've already uploaded it, you'll see it in your library. If not, you can upload it from your computer. Choose a crisp, high-resolution version that still has a manageable file size. A transparent background keeps your logo looking clean over different header colors. When your image library opens, click the highlighted logo file you want to use. If you have multiple versions, pick the one optimized for your header. Often a horizontal layout works best. Add descriptive alt text while you're here, so screen readers and search engines can understand it. Click Done to confirm your selection. You should immediately see your logo appear in the preview. If it looks too small or too large, look for the highlighted control in the logo section to adjust its size. Many themes offer a simple slider for logo width. Tweak it until your logo is legible without pushing the navigation out of place. If your theme supports separate logos for dark and light headers, choose the version with the right contrast so it's easy to read. Finally, click Save in the top corner. Saving publishes your changes to the theme you're editing. Give the preview a moment to refresh, then check your store on desktop and mobile to make sure the logo scales well and stays sharp. And that's it. You've added your logo to Shopify, set the size with confidence, and saved your changes. If you ever update your branding, you can return to the same logo setting and